Hi everyone, welcome to our lesson 53. My name is Professor Robert. In today's lesson, we'll rationalize denominators and numerators of fractions. All right, now let's dig into it. Let's look at the first example. If you are given root 5 divided by root 3, and you are asked to rationalize the denominator. What you are being asked is to get rid of the root square in the denominator. And normally what we do is to try and multiply the denominator by a factor that will get rid of that square root. So this expression then becomes root 5 divided by root 3 multiplied by another factor here, which when multiplied by root 3 will give us, we'll get rid of the root sign, and that will be root 3, because root 3 times root 3 will give us 3. And what you do to one part of a fraction, you must do to the other. So above also you have to multiply um, uh, root 5 by root 3. And now, using the rules of multiplying roots, the top becomes root of 15 because it's 5 times 3, and this is divided by root 3 multiplied by root 3, which will be 3, and this will be our final answer. All right? Okay, now let's use the same example to rationalize the numerator. So number 2 is root 5 divided by root 3, and the question is rationalize the numerator. That means we need to get rid of the root sign of the upper part of our fraction. So this expression then becomes root 5 divided by root 3, and then we have to multiply the top with an expression which when multiplied by root 5 will get rid of the root sign. And indeed, this one will be root 5. But what you do to one part of a fraction, you must do to the other. So we also have to multiply the bottom by root 5. And then here we'll have root 5 times root 5 will leave us with a 5. And in the bottom, we have root 3 multiplied by root 5, which will be root 15. Okay. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and please subscribe for more algebra made simple. See you in the next lesson, and bye for now.